Hello, beautiful mom. Welcome to my channel. I am Pau, and I wanted to share with you today a little tip when I'm trying to soothe and calm my babies. I have 2 kids. In this video, I'm with my 4-month-old baby girl. When you feel sometimes overwhelmed and you start feeling some anxiety and the baby seems like not calming down, you can try to do this. It takes only a few minutes. But try to lie down on your back, have your baby by your side first, and just stay there breathing in and breathing out. When you find the rhythm of your own breath, you can bring your baby and put it on your chest, either facing down or facing up. And just allow the baby to feel how is your breath, how are you breathing in and breathing out. And even you can tell very softly to your baby, take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. And the baby's gonna be moving, and that's fine. So with one hand, you support your baby, and maybe the other arm is resting on the floor. And you just stay there, at least feeling that the earth is holding your back, and is holding your head, and is holding your legs. And for a moment, you're trying to breathe in rhythm with your baby. So take a moment to just breathe. Take a moment to connect with your inner peace and with your baby. And then you slowly open your eyes and give a big hug to your baby and a kiss. You are wonderful. You are a super mom, and you deserve to take a few minutes to calm down yourself first, to continue on your day. Namaste. If you liked and you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Namaste.